Well, I'm back doing another unboxing. This is an electric furnace or kiln. And I don't quite remember the exact details because I ordered it, bought it quite a while ago. I'm just doing the unboxing today. So, first thing you get is a nice set of leather gloves. Just wondering if they fit. Yep. A pretty good set of tongs, spring loaded. A user manual. I think this is the model that I bought. So it's written in English and I guess Cantonese or Chinese. Power cord with an Australian end. This is the crucible. Guessing it's stainless steel. It's got a little pouring lip, which is good, and without doubt you can hang on to it with the tweezer things that get. Comes pretty well packed. And as I said, I've got the model with the protective mesh around it, so there's less chance of touching the hot part of the furnace. Take you in for a closer view. So it's claiming to be maybe designed or made in Italy. That's your controls, temperature control. It's got a couple of handles so it can be easily moved. It's got a lid, it's got a handle which is going to prevent any chance of getting near any hot surfaces. And I'll just get inside. You can see the thermocouple, I guess it's called, which measures the temperature and controls the temperature. So your crucible fits in there with a lid. Go back. It's quite a firm, everything seems to be firm operation. Looks to be well made. The protective shield, so there's no chance of you touching the furnace by accident. I'll just go around the other side. And again, it's the model, it's the SY0002 model, 1500 watt to 2000 watt. I'm thinking it's a 1 kilo version because the crucible isn't that big, so I don't think you're going to fit much more than a kilo of material in the crucible, and it's a 220 volt. Again, it seems to indicate that it's made in Italy, but it did come from China, so I'm not quite sure what the connection is. Anyway, that's the unit, and I'll be testing it soon, and I'll do another video showing it in operation. Thank you.